Navigating Procreate. On opening Procreate, you will see the gallery. This is where all your artwork is stored. Tap the cross button to see the canvas options. Previously created canvases will be listed, and also create a new one here. Tap the cross button to create a new canvas. Here you can create your new canvas. Add a title and choose the measurements. Depending on the iPad you've got and what memory it's got, will limit your layer options. So the bigger the canvas, the less layers you'll have. So here you can sort of see how many layers the choice you've made will give you. Tap done and the canvas will then open. Tap the spanner icon to reveal the actions. Tap add. Here you can add images, files and text. Cut, copy and paste functions are here also. Tap the canvas icon and you'll see more canvas controls. Crop, resize, animation assist, drawing guide, etc. Reference, flip horizontal, flip vertical and canvas information. Tap share reveals file options available to share. You can then share your progress or finished artwork. Tap video to record time-lapse of your artwork. To record your artwork, activate the button to record the time-lapse progression. You can then export and share your video. Tap refs, you can customize the interface. So you can choose light or dark interface. You can choose left or right-handed environment. I'm left-handed, so I prefer the environment on the right. There are also options to change gesture controls. Tap the help icon to reveal help topics for Procreate. These are really useful. Tap adjustments icon to reveal image manipulation controls. Tap selections icon. Here you can select and manipulate artwork sections. The tool panel below shows the selection options. Tap the transformation icon. Activates resize and rotate image controls on artwork. Tap brush icon reveals the painting and drawing tools. Brush sets are on the left, contain the brushes. The set contents are shown on the right. Tap smudge icon. Brushes will be available as smudging tools. So you've got all the brushes available as smudging tools. Tap the eraser icon and they will be available as erasers. Tap the layer icon to access and manipulate layers. You can add layers, reveal the layer controls, you can delete layers. This is where all your artwork lives. And the colour icon for colour palette options. So you've got colour palettes, you've got values for colour matching, you've got harmony to create combinations, colour combinations, classic for slider options, and the disc. This helps you with the colour hue selections as well. Tap the cross on the top right. You can add new colour palettes, create new palette from a camera, file or photo. The sidebar tools. Select brush and adjust the size with the slider. So here you can see the brush getting bigger and smaller. So this is where you adjust the size of the brush. And the brush opacity with the bottom slider. So just have a little play of how they affect the brush. The bottom control is undo and redo with little arrows, so you can undo and redo. The little central control is a colour selection, so you can press that will give you the option to pick colours from your canvas, which is very useful. Again, it's a good idea to play around with these as you're coming across them on the video. Stop the video and have a little play and then carry on. When finished creating, tap the gallery button to return. It automatically saves your work to the gallery. At this point you can't undo any changes, so you're committed. Tap select to activate image options, then select image or images. To delete, duplicate, share or preview. Tapping share will give you file options. You can choose Procreate, PSD, PDF, JPEG, PNG, TIFF, and you can choose animated files options also to share. Choose one file option to share. And it'll export, and exporting will give you destination options of where you can share, save or send to printer. chose not to share and then the file didn't export, so it said unsuccessful. So you will then return back to the gallery. To unselect image, tap the cross button in the top right hand corner. Your image will then unselect. You can also organise your artwork into stacks. Tap select and tick artwork you would like to stack. And then tap stack. Selected artwork will then group as a stack, just to help keep you a little bit more organised. If you tap the stack, you'll be able to see the artwork in that stack. You can also import files and graphics and photos to your gallery if you wish. You can open and edit with Procreate tools.